Hello everyone. In this video, we will be showing how to use OBS screen recorder in your macOS. Maybe there's many options that you can try to record your macOS screen, and one of those that we saw, yes, is about this QuickTime player. Is inbuilt media player in macOS, and we can open it and press this new screen recorder, but it's limited as we know that. So, in case you want to stream or something like that, more complicated and more features for audio and so on, you cannot do that except you have OBS or other type of alternative screen recorders. For example, we just need to open our browser, type OBS Studio. For example, download which OS you are using. For example, for Windows, in case you are using Windows, for Mac OS, that's what we are looking for. Press enter. You have many options, but I think all of them are the same. OBS project is the correct website for this OBS application we're looking for. This SoftTank is another website also, but it's the same. For example, we come for the installation, and here we need to press download OBS, and here it will offer us some operating system. For example, in case we have Windows, we press this, so we will see the options. In case you are using Linux, these are the alternatives, and this is what we are looking for, Mac OS. There's two types for Mac OS. For example, we have the Intel-based Mac OS operating system, and we have Apple Silicon based, which is ARM64. And in case you are using Intel Mac OS MacBook, then you can't use this. In case you are using iMac or Mac Studio or whatever running Apple Silicon, you can choose this option. Few seconds, it will be downloaded. Let's see. I just downloaded this few seconds ago, just to show that it's downloaded, and I will show you how to use it or how to set up this. Double click, or we can go to the Finder and find it where it's downloaded in download folder. And after this, we just need to select and drop in this application folder. Here, in case you don't have, nothing will be shown here, and it will bring only one process bar and it will finish. That means is installed. In case you have already, you can keep both, or you can stop copying this, or you can replace it. For example, in case you replace it or you don't have, it will just show that one process bar and it's finished. Let's say we close this, and we close this, we don't need it anymore. This is the application we just downloaded. Now we don't need it anymore. Come to the Finder, and let's say we are in downloads. We don't need it anymore. Let us delete it and save some space. We go to the application folder and we search it from here. Let's say this is our OBS. As soon as we open, it's asking us some permissions like will you allow this application to do 1, 2, 3, and so on. Because I already installed it before, but in case you didn't, so it should give you some options to give access, for example, for your screen, for your accessibility, and for your camera, and so on. In case that didn't show, we just need to add that for more options. Open the settings, then head over to privacy and security. Then we have right here, for example, accessibility. We need to toggle this and put our password, for example, and it's done. In case not showing here, we need to add this small button. Come to applications, then choose our app, for example, OBS. Okay, OBS, and like this it will add. Then we need to give access to the camera. Okay, quit and reopen. And then we have the screen recorder, where we have this option for screen recording. In case we don't have this application right here, we just need to press this add icon, then add it from here. OBS, double click and quit and reopen. Like this, we just give access to our screen, and we will see in case there's other options are important. Then system audio recording only. We don't have any application that use this feature. For example, microphone, yes. For OBS, it's okay because we will be using that. Camera developer tool, that's not important for screen recording application. Then Bluetooth, in case you have any other Bluetooth device or something that connected to OBS, you can add access to your Bluetooth as well. Most important things is to grant access to screen recorder, microphone, and the accessibility. These are the top 3 most important things for screen recorder OBS. And as soon as we open, it will not add this screen recorder, so it will open blank like this. So this is for adding the sources. For example, what source you want to add, for example, media source or whatever. For example, screen recorder, macOS screen. This is our screen. For example, in case want to select a particular window, for example, in case we had window, so we need to select which window. And then we have application. We need to select which application. For example, how many applications we have open. For example, Safari, in case I want to record only Safari, but I want to record the entire display, I keep it as it is, and next. Another source in case we want to add our audio input capture. For example, in case we want to capture the audio for other purposes, we need to add it like that. Then video capture device. This is for capturing our video. For example, we just need to select our device. This is my device, for example. See the quality, keep it as highest as possible and use buffering to get a good resolutions. Then this is just for testing, so I need to disable this. I'll be using this later on. And the other features will be knowing how to get a good output from your screen recording and the audio sources and so on. Then how to use noise removals and some other good features that are available in OBS, and we'll be explaining that in later. Till that, don't forget to subscribe in case you like my content, and wait for more.